In heat exchanger core manufacturing, reliable tools mean greater efficiency. The Bobo machinery, automatic fin insertion and tube expansion machine, offers simple operation and brings a more stable and efficient upgrade to the manufacturing process. Production begins here. Pipes are neatly arranged through an insertion feeding system and transported to the processing area at a set rhythm, laying the foundation for overall line efficiency. The tube insertion is then completed, and the next step is initiated. The robotic arm ensures that the fins are inserted into each tube at the correct angle and position. The machine is centrally managed by an intelligent control system. Through a high-definition touch panel, operators can quickly set parameters for 1 to 5 layers of silos, robotic arm lifting, and cycle time. The interface is intuitive and adjustments are efficient, resulting in more precise and stable production control. After parameter adjustments are completed, the fins can be arranged and positioned. Multiple fins or fin groups are then inserted at an angle. This process reduces manual labor, increases speed, and makes production smoother. The system then precisely inserts the tubing into the fin holes. Through high-precision servo control, the connection between the tubing and the fins is tighter, and each core assembly is completed with consistent quality. From tubing to fins, from insertion to finished product, the entire process is stable, precise, and efficient. The resulting radiator core has a compact structure and a neat appearance, making it more competitive in mass production. Choose the Bobo automatic fin insertion and tube expansion machine to boost your productivity with the right tools, enabling smarter, more stable, and more efficient heatsink component manufacturing. Contact us for complete solutions.